What's up, people? This is going to be an unboxing of the S22 Ultra. This is definitely one of the thinnest boxes I've ever opened for a phone, and I gotta say, there's not much in here. This phone is a beautiful phone. It's well designed, well put together. I have no problems with the design. When it comes to the phone itself, it is lacking a few things, mainly being a micro SD expansion slot. So if you're somebody who bought a big SD card, don't get this phone. If at least if you plan on using the SD card. If you are okay with the 128 or the 256 gig that you get with the phone, depending on which one you choose, then go ahead, upgrade the phone. That is my biggest gripe with it. Also, sometimes it does slow down. It does get a little laggy, and that's definitely a one UI thing, unfortunately. Besides that, this phone is really nice. I can't really complain too hard about it. There are things I don't like, but that mostly has to do with software. Of course, with software, things get fixed. The cameras are divine. This phone charges really quick, has the wireless charging, has the ability to charge other phones. It's what you got before and a little bit more. Of course, except for that micro SD. I had a Note 20 before. Unfortunately, my phone broke and I had to upgrade. But to be honest, if I didn't have to upgrade and you showed me this phone, I would have stuck with my other phone. I would have kept my Note 20. From what I've seen of the S23, it's more of the same. Unfortunately, Samsung is going in a direction that is more Apple-like. You pay more, you get less. And I don't know if this phone is going to be of the same build quality as my last. I do know with my last phone, I dropped it and the screen shattered. It broke, and I had a durable case on it, screen protector, but still, it broke. And the thing is, it seems more and more like that's how phones are becoming. You pay a lot of money and you get bad quality. It kind of sucks because phones are over $1,000. Anyways, that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.